Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a recent news article come from the Times of Israel.com. And this is a second story that broke out recently, because I did a sit-down video lesson on it earlier today, which was, I believe, earlier this morning, about Israel, which is the Israeli Defense Force, intercepted a missile was fired from the Gaza Strip in that region. Now you have this right here. I believe Israel did a strike of its own in the Hamas area, Hamas sites, I meant to say. And this is kind of like a retaliatory of what happened earlier today, what Gaza firing two rockets, and they intercepted two of them, one or two of them, I believe. And then this is a response of retaliating towards that of those firing missiles of what Gaza in the Gaza Strip from Hamas. As you see right here, it says Israel bombs Hamas sites in a retaliatory Gaza strikes. Rocket sirens because the rocket sirens heard once again in that region. It says Army says facilities storing chemicals for missiles and for manufacturing weapons hit. Small armed groups claim second volley of rockets in response to sanctions against prisoners. And it says fire and smoke rise above buildings in Gaza City during a retaliatory Israeli strikes on the Palestinian enclave early February 2nd, 2023. And it says Israel Air Force warplanes carry out sorties in the Gaza Strip early Thursday in response to a rocket attack on southern Israel hours early, as a new round of rocket alarms sound in Sderot, if I pronounced that right, in nearby towns. The military says the Israel Defense Force said its jets bombed a site where the Hamas, group stores chemicals used to make missiles. It also struck a facility where the group manufactured weaponry. The Army says the Palestinian Sheikh news outlet report that Israel bombarded resistant sites in the central Gaza Strip. It says footage published by Palestinian media outlets shows fireball explosive. Salakia. Pause that. Salakia for that. It says footage published by Palestinian media outlets shows fireball exploding amid the densely populated coastal enclave. There were no immediate reports of injuries. It says Israel considers Hamas, which rules the Strip, responsible for any attacks emanating from the enclave, regardless of whether the group was behind it. The strike deals a serious blow to Hamas' ability to fortify and arm itself, the IDF said in a statement. The Israeli bombing runs came hours after a rocket launch towards the southern city of Sderot on Wednesday evening was intercepted by an Iron Dome air defense. The IDF says sirens went off again in Sderot shortly before 3 a.m. as Israel carried out the airstrikes. The military said it was investigating what triggered the alarm.
حتى اللحظة الهدف مجهول. من جديد إذا يبدو الغارات في مخيم البريج. في مخيم البريج. إذا الآن الغارات في مخيم البريج الآن من جديد في مخيم البريج على مقربة، يعني الآن ألسنة الدخان.
As you've seen that little 30-second clip right there, I guess it shows the demonstration. What was carried out around about 3 o'clock. It says in the early rocket attack, a woman in her 50s was lightly hurt, but after slipping while running to a bomb shelter in Sderot, medics said she was taken by a Megan David Adam ambulance service to a nearby hospital for treatment. A large piece of shrapnel caused minor damage to a road, the Sderot said. A rocket Sherman found in the city of Sderot following an attack from the Gaza Strip on February 1st, 2023. The rocket was the second in incidents.